Hello everybody. I'm going to do some videos of things you could build with Cursor. Give everyone some little preview of how I write code and how I use Cursor. So today what we'll do, first you gotta choose the right synthwave music. Alright, so let's load up Cursor. What we're going to do is make a quick little app, a web app, that does facial detection and tracking on a webcam stream. So let's spin up Cursor. Right? All right, so Control I. So make me a web app that loads, shows a live web stream. And I have Claude 3.5 Sonnet as the backend, and I just press enter. And let's see what it does. All right, so we got an index and an app. Let's accept all the changes and save everything. Let's open containing folder. All right. Wants to use your camera. Allow. Hello. Look at that. It worked. Cool. Now, what we want to do is, great. Now, please include facial tracking. Let's just see what it does. So what's it going to do? Okay. Tiny face detector from face API. So let's make this bigger. And now we can see the diff here. This is a useful tool. So you can see what it's changing. So it's trying to load this face API's face detector. And this is probably going to fail because it did not import the library, but that's okay. Let's accept all, save it, and then let's go back to our stream. Yeah, so it failed, and face API is not defined. So what we're going to do is go back here and say, one problem is the face API is not defined. I think you need to load the JavaScript source from a CDN in the HTML. You're supposed to click on it, file in the head. So you got to actually know what you're doing for a lot of these times. There we go. Oh, wait, it was in there. What was the problem? No. Sorry, I didn't realize it was already in here. Reject. So what's the problem then? Exports is not defined. Let's just give it all of this. Some errors from the JavaScript. Okay, let's see what this is doing. Exports is not defined. Face API failed to load. Let's open up the chat and say, why does this say I'm trying to load the face? A specific version we should use? All right, let's try this. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, now we're loading from here. Allow. And huzzah! Look at this. It's tracking my face very well. Great. Right, so next thing we want to do is working. Please make the webcam encompass the entire browser window. I'm just going to open up a new composer just so it doesn't need its memory anymore. So I think we go here and then click create new, single composer. And then you click add files here. This and this should be all I need. And I like looking at the diff. That's fine. Let's just accept all and save all and see what happens. Look at that. Hello. We got facial detection working. All right, so done with this. Now you guys see how we use cursor, and hopefully this was informative.